Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is gerontology the study of? Is it A. Old age, B. Life, C. Ticks and mites, or D. The nature of values and value judgments? The answer is A. Old age.
Gerontology, the study of old age, delves into the fascinating world of aging. It explores everything from the biology of growing older to the social and psychological impacts on individuals and societies. Fun fact, some gerontologists even investigate how certain species, like turtles and lobsters, exhibit negligible senescence, essentially aging without showing typical signs.
Question 2. What was the purpose of the spikes on the back of the Stegosaurus? Is it A. Climbing, B. Digging, C. Defense and thermoregulation, or D. Attracting prey? The answer is C. Defense and thermoregulation.
The Stegosaurus's iconic back spikes served a dual purpose. They were intimidating weapons against predators and acted like solar panels, helping regulate the dinosaur's body temperature. Imagine a creature with built-in air conditioning and armor, nature's own multi-tool.
Question 3. What is bioecology the study of? Is it A. Wounds and injuries caused by accidents, B. The relationship of organisms to each other and to their environment, C. Psychotropic drugs, or D. Bacteria? The answer is B. The relationship of organisms to each other and to their environment.
Bioecology delves into the intricate dance of life, exploring how organisms interact with each other and their surroundings. Imagine a bustling city where every resident, from the tiniest ant to the tallest tree, plays a crucial role in maintaining balance and harmony within their vibrant ecosystem.
Question 4. What type of chemical calling cards are released by an animal to affect other members of its species? Is it A. Pheromones, B. Hormones, C. Neurotransmitters, or D. Proteins? The answer is A. Pheromones.
Pheromones are nature's secret messages. Ants use them to create intricate trails leading to food, while moths can detect a mate from miles away. Even humans might be influenced by these invisible signals, subtly swaying our attraction and social interactions without us even realizing it.
Question 5. What is oncology the study of? Is it A. Cancer, B. China, C. The eyes, or D. The moon? The answer is A. Cancer.
Oncology, the study of cancer, delves into a world where rogue cells defy normal growth rules. These rebellious cells can form tumors and spread chaos throughout the body. Oncologists are like detectives, using cutting-edge science to track down these cellular outlaws and develop treatments to stop their rampage.
Question 6. Which science studies animal behavior in natural habitats? Is it A. Ethology, B. Zoology, C. Neuroscience, or D. Anthropology? The answer is A. Ethology.
Ethology, the fascinating study of animal behavior in natural habitats, was pioneered by Nobel laureates Konrad Lorenz, Nikolaus Tinbergen, and Carl von Frisch. These trailblazers unlocked secrets of animal communication and social structures, revealing that even the tiniest creatures have complex lives worthy of a nature documentary.
Question 7. In computer networking, is the full form of G initials ISP? Is it A. Internet Search Provider, B. Internet Service Provider, C. Internet Service Portal, or D. Internet Software Provider? The answer is B. Internet Service Provider.
The term Internet Service Provider, ISP, was first coined in the early 1990s when dial-up connections were the norm. Fun fact, the first commercial ISP, The World, launched in 1989 and offered a whopping speed of 56 kbps, about 1,000th of today's average broadband speeds.
Question 8. What is silicon dioxide commonly known as? Is it A. Epsom salt, B. Borax, C. Hematite, or D. Quartz? The answer is D. Quartz.
Quartz, the common name for silicon dioxide, is not just a pretty face in jewelry. This mineral is piezoelectric, meaning it can generate an electric charge under mechanical stress. This unique property makes quartz essential in modern technology, from wristwatches to radios and even smartphones.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember, in the world of science and nature, knowledge is your best element. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until we meet again tomorrow, have a great rest of your day or night.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.